All right, everybody, the next project we're gonna tackle is this little cover that goes over the hinge on the seat. As you can see, it's pretty ugly. It's plastic chrome, and half of it's peeling off or whatever. So we're just gonna paint it so it's a nice clean color, and we'll bring you along for the ride. All right, I guess first I'm gonna clean these with some Windex. It has ammonia in it, and it's a good oil dissolver. It helps remove waxes and oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and just clean it real quick with that. Next, I'm gonna scuff it with some 3000 grit sandpaper just to give it a little bit of a bite when that paint goes on. Wet it down just a little bit because I like to wet sand stuff. It makes it go a lot smoother. You can see as I'm doing it, it's literally peeling off, breaking down that chrome. So it's just plastic. So we're gonna get rid of any dirt, debris, wax, whatever, try and smooth out any little burrs on it that there might be. So this paint will grab. I mean, heck, I guess we could just paint it black. It looks like it's black right underneath. Maybe I could just sand it all the way to black. I don't know. I mean, that one's pretty hammered. It's the driver's side. Didn't take much to stand that past the chrome down to the black. And like I said, I could always just sand it to black, but we're gonna paint it so it looks nice and clean. Next, we're gonna paint them. My wife wanted to try this stuff. It's this shiny metallic Rust-Oleum. I guess we'll see how shiny this stuff is. I think these are turning out pretty good. I mean, that'll look a lot better than all patchy and stuff missing, chrome missing, black shining through. At least it's one solid color. We could have went black as well. That'd look good, but decided to try this one out. Here it is, finished. That looks a lot better than all that messed up chrome and black mix. We'll go show you the other side. There's the other side. Turned out really nice, just a few bucks. Cleaned that thing right up. Looks really good.